It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, March the 6th. I'm Michael Groff. Well above average temperatures again today and tomorrow. We'll see a weak weather system coming through here tomorrow night and Sunday, bringing a chance of showers to eastern Arizona, maybe an isolated shower to the valley. A more widespread and potentially significant rain event in here by the middle part of next week. How much rain will we get? And what about temperatures? How warm will they be? Let's talk about it. Yesterday in the valley, speaking of warm, 84 degrees in the afternoon high. That's 10 degrees above normal. 54 was the morning low. And outside now here at 8:35 a.m., partly sunny skies in the valley. 66 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 37, humidity 35%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, mid-50s to mid-60s for most of us. The upper air look shows high pressure firmly in control here across the southwest, but there is a weak little wave approaching from the west. So we'll see some periods of high clouds the next couple of days and ultimately a chance of showers that will outline. The watch warning map, not a whole lot happening across the U.S. No real high impact events right now. Some wind advisories over parts of the southeast. Convective outlook extremely quiet as well. No organized severe weather. No thunder expected across the lower 48. Precipitation for the next 7 days. Rainfall in excess of 1 inch here in Metro Phoenix. Around 2 to 3 inches for the mountains of northern La Paz, northern Maricopa, parts of Yavapai and Gila counties as well. And that certainly lines up with many of the models, and we'll show you that now as we check it out. Go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure in control, broad southwesterly flow, heights a little bit above average. So down at the surface, partly cloudy skies today, and it will be warm, highs in the mid-80s. Tonight, partly cloudy and mild, lows in the 50s. Tomorrow, partly cloudy, highs in the low 80s. Now, tomorrow night, we've got a weak weather system approaching from the west. We've been talking about this feature for the last few days. It's got some moisture with it, certainly enough for widely scattered showers, but mainly over eastern Arizona. Can't rule out an isolated shower here in the valley late Saturday night and into Sunday morning. But again, the key word here is isolated. Probably most of us see nothing from this, and even if you do get rain, maybe 1 or 2/100ths of an inch is about all we can expect from this feature. Otherwise, the day on Sunday is partly sunny, high temperatures somewhere in the mid to upper 70s. Mid and upper 70s are likely on Monday with partly sunny skies. Rain picking up along the Southern California coast as our system continues to deepen out that way. And then on Tuesday, the moisture continues to roll in. We'll start the day out dry, although mostly cloudy skies will be with us. And then the rain moves in from west to east across the state. So we'll introduce a 50% chance of rain by that time, Tuesday afternoon. And high temperatures still mild, mid-70s. We might even get to the upper 70s, depending on how long it is before the rain sets in. Tuesday night and Wednesday, the global model's in pretty good agreement here. Periods of rain, heavy at times, especially over the higher terrain north and east of Phoenix. But heavy showers are possible in the valley as well. Isolated thunderstorms could be a risk too. High temperatures on Wednesday in the low to mid-70s. This is not a particularly cold system given the subtropical nature of it. And how much rain we get and some of the timing details and all of that are still just a little bit up in the air. But this is looking more and more likely to be a widespread, significant rain event. Now on Thursday, the system is slower to move out of here as mentioned, so we'll still call for scattered showers and high temperatures in the low and middle 70s. Here's a week from today. This is Friday the 13th. The system moving off to the east, a drier northwesterly flow, a shortwave ridge in its wake. High temperatures would be, again, in the mid-70s. And going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Sunday the 15th, and that looks like a negative tilt system off the GFS coming in here, and that would produce another round of showers and thunderstorms. And so wet and cool, unsettled conditions would continue. The European has a fairly similar solution to this. Speaking of, let's take a look at the QPF, the total rainfall coming off of the European ensemble. There's 51 members here, and the model spread ranges from not very much at all, almost nothing, all the way up to over 3 inches. The ensemble mean is around 1.5 inches. The latest deterministic member comes in a little bit closer to 2 inches of rain. So we could get quite a soaking out of this, but obviously there's a lot that can still change between now and then. We're still several days out. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. 84 is what it has us at today. I think we might get just a little bit warmer than that. We're going with a high temperature range of 83 to 86, then cooling it off for tomorrow, and temperatures more or less near average for the next several days. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. Updates sooner if necessary. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.